Dino, Toys and Toddlers.
Hi, kids. Look, what a caterpillar. Can she make it to the top? Oh dear, one part has rolled away. And 3 more. And now 4 more parts have disconnected. So we only have 2 left. But they also rolled down. The caterpillar tries to get up, but she is going down the hill. Poor you, the caterpillar has lost all her parts. Shall we help her collect all of them?
Yeah!
Great! Where is number 1? Here it comes on the left. Red number 1. And now let's look for number 2. Number 2, where are you? It's on the left. Quick, hang on. Orange number 2. And now we need to find number 3. Number 3, where are you? It looks like we have 2 number 3s. And one of them has honked to the caterpillar. No, let me see. It's number 4. Come off. Now everything is all right. Yellow number 3. And the next one is green number 4. Great! We have managed to collect 4 parts so far. So where is number 5? It's not on the right. It's not on the left either. Here it comes, hiding behind the brick. Light blue number 5. Okay, we have collected 5 parts. We still have the rest of them to find. Let's look for number 6 now. Do you remember what color it is? Maybe dark blue? Look, there's something blue hiding behind the brick. Right! It is dark blue number 6. Now let's look for number 7 and 8. Here they come. Don't hurry, one by one. First, number 7. Violet number 7. Fine. And now, number 8. Brown number 8. Great! We have to find 2 more parts. And here comes white number 9. Now we have to find number 10. Let's look for it behind the brick. On the right? Nothing is here. Now let's look behind the brick on the left. Nothing again. Wait, I think it is playing hide and seek with you. That's where you are. Quick, hang on, black number 10. Fantastic! Let's check one more time if we have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nothing is missing. Shall we try to go up the hill one more time? Go! You're almost there. Come on! Excellent! The caterpillar has got to the top of the hill. Thanks a lot, kids!